The Lamborghini Revuelto, already an eye-catching marvel straight from Sant'Agata Bolognese, has now been taken to an entirely new level of boldness, thanks to the aftermarket tuner Creative Bespoke. This particular Revuelto doesn't just stand out, it screams for attention with a styling approach that evokes the infamous Mansory tunings, but with even more audacity. If you thought the Revuelto's wild factory design was the peak of automotive artistry, think again. Creative Bespoke has slammed the dial all the way up, delivering a machine that's loud, flashy, and unapologetically over the top. The most obvious change? The paint job. Forget subtlety, the entire car is cloaked in a blinding shade of green so intense it could practically glow in the dark. This green isn't just paint, it's a statement that screams, "Look at me." Beyond the vivid color, the tuner loaded the car with custom carbon fiber body parts that are as dramatic as they are functional. From an extended front splitter, painted perfectly to match the rest of the car, to bold green accents lurking beneath the headlights, there's no mistaking the identity of this beast. The redesigned hood is particularly aggressive, featuring massive air extraction vents and carbon fiber gills that line its sides. These elements aren't just there for show, they enhance the Revuelto's aerodynamic capabilities while giving it a furious personality. This Revuelto also sports sharp aero fins bolted to the front splitter and repeated behind the front wheels. The rear of the car is where the drama really intensifies. A massive wing, supported on either side of the engine cover, dominates the back profile and ensures this machine won't be overlooked on any road or track. The rear fascia has been completely remagined with fresh diffuser strakes that cleverly double as red LED lights, adding a futuristic touch to the muscular design. Adding to the sensory overload is a new catback exhaust system that promises an auditory experience as bold as the car's appearance. What's perhaps most surprising is how quickly this highly modified Revuelto found a buyer. Listed at $779,800, the price tag was about $170,000 above the base model's MSRP. But in the world of supercar customization, unique style and exclusivity often command a premium, and someone was clearly willing to pay for this carbon fiber spectacle. Creative Bespoke's approach to the Revuelto may divide opinions. Some may see it as an exciting evolution of Lamborghini's radical design language, while others might compare it less flatteringly to the often criticized Mansory aftermarket style, known for turning already exotic cars into extravagant showpieces. Either way, this green Revuelto is a statement of excess and individuality that perfectly fits the ethos of Lamborghini enthusiasts who want to stand out, no matter the cost. As Lamborghini itself continues to develop future variants like the SV and SVJ, the base Revuelto's already wild design might soon have to compete with factory options that are equally dramatic, but perhaps a bit more refined. Until then, builds like this Creative Bespoke project will remind us how the aftermarket scene can push even the most iconic supercars to their absolute limits, sometimes in ways you love, and sometimes in ways that leave you scratching your head. In the end, this Revuelto isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of art and controversy, wrapped in glowing green carbon fiber and engineered to shout from every angle. Whether you admire or question its style, it's hard to ignore the boldness and creativity that went into making it a Lamborghini unlike any other.